I read a recent article where it said home ownership is still the American dream. Why is that? Over the last 5 years, if you've owned real estate, the median, that means the average, was $150,000 in increase in net worth over the last 5 years. So that means half the people made at least 150 or more in net worth increase over the last 5 years. It's difficult to do that in saving your own money in the stock market and whatnot. But if you buy real estate, you could buy a house for, say, put 3 to 5% down. The money that you have to put into the investment is minimal compared to the equity increase that you could get out. You know, I can tell you myself, I've bought a couple properties in the last 5 years, and it's much more than that. So if you are on the fence or you are a renter and you have questions and you need help and you want to know how to get into a home, what's the best way to do that, how to build your net worth, I would love to have a conversation with you about that. So message me here, DM me, and have a great day.